Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O Hrishikesh, master of the senses and lord of lords, you have released your mother, Devaki, who was long imprisoned and distressed by the envious King Kams, and me and my children from a series of constant dangers. Devaki, the mother of Krsna and sister of King Kams, was put into prison along with her husband, Vasudev, because the envious king was afraid of being killed by Devaki's 8th son. He killed all the sons of Devaki who were born before Krsna, but Krsna escaped the danger of child slaughter because he was transferred to the house of Nand Maharaj, Lord Krishna's foster father. Kunti Devi, along with her children, was also saved from a series of dangers. But Kunti Devi was shown far more favour because Lord Krishna did not save the other children of Devaki, whereas he saved the children of Kunti Devi. This was done because Devaki's husband, Vasudev, was living, whereas Kunti Devi was a widow, and there was none to help her except Krishna. The conclusion is that Krishna endows more favour to a devotee who is in greater dangers. Sometimes he puts his pure devotees in such dangers because in that condition of helplessness the devotee becomes more attached to the Lord. The more the attachment is there for the Lord, the more success is there for the devotee.